Hello, children. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. Children, welcome to your English class. Today, we are going to learn a new letter I. This is letter I. And the sound of letter I is I. I. And the things that begins with I sound are igloo, igloo, India, India, injection, injection, inkpot, inkpot. Children, all these pictures start from letter I and the sound of letter I is I. I. Thank you. Have a nice day.